Oh, hello. So indeed, as promised, we're upstairs. We're in the TV room. And first things first, I'm going to put on my spectacles if I can get them on. And I'm going to have a look in here. Ooh, even with glasses. These are hard to read. But they are, in fact, 2114 chips. They are. They are indeed. Now, somewhere here, see, when you look at a board like this, it's easy to screw up. And I would prefer not to. So, I'm going to dig in here for a second. And even though this too is green, I will take this. Look at where my finger is. Look through the light. Got a little green line through there. Little green line. Oh, I can't hardly see it. It's green. Is this really working? Yeah, it is. But green on green. That's not so good. Oh, no. No, no. I feel a sneeze. Hang in there. Hello. I did not sneeze, but it sure felt like it was going to. Okay. I'm going to try this again. I'll put my finger on here. Look up at the light. And then put a blue mark on here. And that still is not great. And I know what's happened. I have a black thing downstairs. That's brilliant. Brilliant. Well, I will be careful. There will be 4 rows of pins that need to come out. And I will be very careful. So we're going to go for the soldering monster. Or de-soldering monster. Again, yes, we're going to have to move some stuff here, I think. Because when the iron is hot, the iron is hot. Really, really hot. We don't want things touching it. So there is some solder. There's a thing. This is like a plunger thing that goes down. So in this instance, I pull this plug out, which I should probably have already done, but I had this turned off. And then I push the button. No, I push the button. It comes on. Now, there's another little safety thing I have going on here, which is not actually activated at this moment because I turned it off. Oh, cord. Come on, cord. Don't give me a rough time here. Okay, now I have here another light. Oh, did I unplug it? Did I? Really? I thought I had it plugged in. Oh, golly. Oh. Oh, now it comes on. Now it goes off. What's going on maybe this, oh, now what's going on? Oh, it's one of those bulbs that maybe needs to be trained. Oh, joy. Or maybe, is it that this is turning on and off as it heats up and goes away? I don't know. Anyway. Very strange. See, this power bar, it half works. And then you have to have something else to tell it what you're doing, or something in there to activate. Alright, I'm going to have another look and make sure I know where I'm going. And see if I can see the mark. And of course I can't, but I know it's right here. It's right here. So the flashing light is telling me that this is turned on. Just have another look. Yep, that's where I should be. Okay. So I will put this on here. And I will pop it. I will pop it. Leaving it nicely on there for long enough for the solder to get well liquefied. Well liquefied. But not so much that things burn out and burn off. Now, of course, I always ponder when I do this. Should I do one, or should I do both? Because it's probably just one. It's bad. Should I do them one at a time? And the answer is, I don't know. I just don't know. I just haven't decided yet. This all seems to be going well. It does. I'm still a little baffled why that light doesn't want to just stay on, because it does sound like the power bar is like turning on and off, not just the light. Alright, so I'll very carefully set this on its little holder, and I'll pick this up and look at the holes, and they look not bad, but two of them don't look as wonderful as they might. They don't. So let's have another go. Also, as I'm here, look down, see if I said, oh, that one doesn't look so great. If any here look like the pins are stuck on the side of the holes. And this one, in fact, this one, it looks like it's giving me some grief. It kind of does. Now it looks like it could be on the other side. It could be. It doesn't take much of a little push to just break that little, because there's not much solder in here anymore. There is not. All right. I'm going to set that down there and leave it on. Uh-oh. I think. Well, maybe I'll shut it off. Okay. Now. Oh, no, 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 no. Things cannot be lost here. Let me have a look here. There's one thing here that still looks like it could be challenging. Maybe I'm looking at the wrong one here. Well, it's hard to say. Hard to say. But the most frustrating thing here, oh, there it is, there, I have found this little screwdriver that I bent. And I brought another one up, but I haven't bent yet. Well, I think it might be okay. I'm going to put this gently underneath and give a little pry. Just a little pry. And just see if this is destined to come out. Going from each side, I'll put a little time. And looky, it's out. And there's the chip. 2114. And at first glance, it does not look like there has been any damage. And that is good. Now, so this here is a 9-pin on each side, so an 18-pin socket. All right, solder iron is off. Here's the chip in question. Okay, so reach over here, snag these hockey things, grab this little gooberfish guy. That might have what we need. Well, it says it should. It says there should be some 18-pin sockets in here. 1, 2, 3. That's what it is. It's a 9-pin socket. Let's check the pins. There's a little bit of a bend on there. Remember, these things are rattling around a whole bunch. So you never know, you know. You never know, you know. But if you get the things all happy and you get them lined up and they go through and we look on the other side, and they're all there, well, that is a beautiful moment in time. But still, where is? I see what I'm after. Yeah. A little tape. Because you want to make sure that it stays in position while you're doing this. And like deep in position. Deep is important. So you get all the nice little solder and all the good connections in there. Except that is not sitting so nice. Okay, get the tape down, down, down at the ends. Good, that looks better. Now, yeah, this tape is not sticking very well. The board is dusty, but it's in position. Okay, so I'm going to move these and close this so I don't end up playing. Let's pick up all the sockets off the ground. And now, I've got to prepare to do the soldering of this socket. And yes, indeed, I've decided to do them one at a time. So, this soldering iron is turned off. I will get the other one ready, and we'll see you again back here in the TV room. Thanks for coming. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.